Marker making procedure. Marker responsible person receive marker position from cutting department. We make marker expiry position using lectra motorized software. Then we print the marker at portrait machine. Then we shape marker by using master cut. We provide marker for cutting department marker responsible.
Please like and subscribe this Garments and Textile Solution channel for more informative videos.